Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel DN Art. So today we are making a coaster mold, and it's actually a druzy crystallized sort of mold. And for this we need this acrylic sheet, some crystals, and a silicone putty that you have seen me showing you. It's by Pebio. So let's start. So these acrylic sheets, they come in various sizes, various thickness. So you can order them from Amazon, eBay. They are easily available. So they come sealed. You just remove the top part. Actually, you can remove the bottom part as well, but I thought just let it be like this and just remove the one part. So now I am just removing, and these are the instructions for this silicone. It's a molding paste, you can say. Yeah, the scissors are not working. Let's open it manually. So here we go. It comes in two parts, and you just mix them equally. So all of the instructions are back there as well. So first of all, we'll mix them. So this is part A. And this is part B. So I can eyeball it, but just for everyone's ease, I am using this weighing machine, and I will be equally weighing them, equally amount. So by the way, this is my first time making a mold out of this sort of silicone paste. So the people that are expert can make various mold. For the first time, I have taken a lot of putty, but when you get the experience, you know how much you want for a mold. At this moment, I didn't know, so I thought just take this amount. So it's a bit more. I'll just remove some excess. So again, this silicone paste is also available on Amazon, eBay. I bought this from my local craft store, Hobbycraft. So here we go. Both are equal now. So it's up to you just to mix it. So the working time is very less for this, so we need to work fast. So we need to mix until the white is gone and it's of one color. So after mixing it, I have taken my acrylic sheet, and now I'm going to make the shape I want. Just rolling it. So after making a snake out of it, I'm just going to make a circular mold here, a bit off on the oval side. It's really up to you what shape you like. You can make squares, triangles, hearts. At this step, it's really up to you, flower, anything. So I'm trying to balance all the sides. I know that one side is a bit thicker, so for the next time I will keep this everything in mind. So after making my oval, and I'm sure that it has been sticked well, I'm just doing this finishing to the inside. So this is a crucial step. You need to make this to make sure that your resin don't leak, and also keeping in mind that your shape don't get distorted. So now I'm making the edges and taking a real amethyst here. I am just making the imprints. So I have another video where I grew my crystals on the coaster and made a mold out of it. That was something different, and this is something different. And here you can make the edges with this crystal. So this is another way of making a crystallized edge mold. So until you're happy with the design you like, just keep on making the prints. I'm just trying to get some deeper crystal effect. So take your time in this, but also do remember that it has a very quick curing time. So from the inside now I have taken a bit small tool and I'm just making small indents. And also I'm pushing back the silicone that has been moved, just continuously shaping up the mold. So while I'm doing a finishing touches to my mold here, and I am actually using the crystal again and again, making sure that I get the best results, I want to make an announcement here that I have a lovely friend, and her name is Michelle, and she has a channel as well, Michelle_Resin Rebel. So what she's doing here is that from Let's Resin, she is going to have products from Let's Resin that are not available in UK, because they have a wide range of very amazing products that are not easily available in UK. So she will be having them at her shop or something what she will be doing. I will link her video below in which she will be discussing about the products she will be storing from Let's Resin, from their chameleon powders and their, I think so, mica color shift powder. So you can know the detail from her video. I will link her video down below, so make sure that if you are interested, do let her know and comment in her video so that you are interested, so she can carry on from there. So this was an important announcement to make. So this was a quick video on showing you how to make your crystallized silicone paste mold. So if you like the video, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up. Take care. Bye bye.